Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to cover two topics, HTML input type file and another one is HTML input type image. So let's first learn HTML input type file. The input element with type file is used to select one or more files from user device storage. So consider a situation where you want user to upload some file. So in that case you need to make use of HTML input type file. So once you select the file and after submission, this file can be uploaded to the server with the help of JavaScript code and file API. So in this tutorial we will be covering just the topic where you will be able to upload the file from UI. So let's check in this code. So currently I have one form which have two fields, username and password, and one submit button. So let me run this on browser. Okay, let me save this. Open in browser. So see, currently I have these two fields, username and password, and one submit button which I have provided value as login. So what I need to provide, I need to provide input type file, name you can provide anything of your choice. I will provide file only. Save this. Refresh the browser. So see, when you provide input type file you get one button here, choose file. Currently no file is chosen. So when I click on choose file I get the documents here, right? You can select the file from the user data. So in this way you can make use of input type file. Let me just upload one sample file. Let's say upload this file. Open. So see, the file name is getting populated here and it has been uploaded. So what changes we can make here? You can provide a label also. Label, let's say upload file, so it will be displayed on the browser, and label for and say upload file. So you know, when you provide label for value you need to make the same value for the name. Let's save this. Open in browser. So see, here we are getting upload file. Here we have provided the text here and we can choose the file from here. Okay, so in this way you can make use of input type file. Another type we want to cover in this video is input type image. So input type image is used to represent a submit button in the form of image. So currently what we have in our web page, we have one submit button. Yeah, we have one submit button here, login. What we want to do, we don't want this submit in the form of button, but we want it in the form of image. So for this you need to have one image in your file system storage. So currently I have one image which is saved in this location. Let me open this. So currently I have this submit image which is being saved in the same location as my code is also saved. So I need to just provide the image name. So for this you can make use of input type image, and with image you can avoid making use of name attribute. You can just provide source attribute and you can provide the path of your image. So currently I have in the same folder, so I will just provide the name submit.jpg, and I will also provide alt attribute. So if in case the image is not found, a message will be displayed, no image found. Let's save this. Open in browser. So see, currently I am getting submit image here. So what we can do, in form you can provide action attribute, and I have one HTML file here, action.html, which just contain one heading, data received. So what I want to do, when user clicks on submit button, it will be navigated to action.html file, action.html file. So when user will click on this image, he will be redirected to this action.html. Let's save this, open in browser. So let's say I provide username as root, password, and you click on submit. So it is being redirected to action.html, which contains this heading, data received. So that was the topics we have considered for this video, the two input type, image and file. Another topics will be covered in the next video. Thank you for watching.